Hey guys, Beau Beery here. If you own apartments in the northern half of Florida and you're waiting for the market to turn around in order to come to market to sell, well, it already did. We're going to go over 5 quick facts that go over the last 10 years of sales to prove the point. Fact number one, the trailing 12 months of sales has doubled over the previous 12 months. So if you look at this, April of 2025 to March of 2026, $2.07 billion and 100 sales transactions versus the prior 12 months before that, you got just under 1 billion and 79 sales. That means sales volume went up 108% and number of deals went up 27%. I'd say buyers are definitely back in the market. Okay, now fact number two, 2025 sales volume nearly doubled that of 2024. If you look here at the chart, that's $2.21 billion done in the year 2025 versus $1.11 billion in 2024, nearly a 100% jump. And what's interesting about that fact is the second half of 2025 actually ran at 1.6x the sales volume of the first half. So it's actually ramping up in number of sales. And December 2025 had 559 million in sales volume across 17 deals, which was by far the single biggest month of the recovery. Now, fact number three, the bigger sales or the bigger deals are finally trading again. Average deal size jumped to 20.8 million per transaction in 2025, which was just right on with the 2021-2022 peak of 21 million. Now that $21 million average nearly doubled the 2024 average deal size of only 11.4 million. So what's that mean? Well, the larger, more institutional buyers are back in the North Florida market, and that's who sets the top of the market. And fact number four, we just climbed out of the deepest trough of the entire decade. So if you look at the chart from the 2021 peak, there's about $4.5 billion in volume done across 210 sales. And then the market bottomed in 2024 at a $1.1 billion. And that was 96 transactions right here. That was roughly a 75% drop. That's huge drop in sales volume. So 2025 wasn't just a small tick up. It was a climb back from one of the worst troughs in 10 years. Okay, and fact number five is about timing, and this is very exciting. December is always the big closeout month. Now, if you look here, this looks at 10-year sales from 2016 to 2025 and kind of puts together the full average here. And as you can see, the average sales volume in December is $292 million, which is a good bit above everything else. And that's just buyers and sellers trying to close out the year. And of course, February is reliably the slowest part of the year at only $107 million average. So if you're planning a sale, kind of the back half of the year is the way to go, especially kind of end of Q3, beginning of Q4. That's where the market really shows its power. So the bottom line is activity has more than doubled. Big buyers are obviously back in the market. And the market just had its strongest December of the entire recovery. So if you've been waiting to sell, those buyers you've been waiting for, they're here. And of course, the deals that are priced right are selling. If you have any interest in me doing a valuation on your asset just to kind of see where it plays in the market, just give me a shout. Talk to you on the next one.